Assalamu alaikum, Rabbi. What's going on? You ready?
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Let's get some
Ready to go? Got the light on me. Can't see me, but we out here. We're ready to go. Little man's right there. You ready?
Yes.
Yeah? Alright, let's go. Yo, we out here. It's freezing cold right now. We got the waders on, we're warm. We're bundled up. We just got done putting the decoys in the water. Allahu Akbar, Zadishan! Good shot! You got it, that was the perfect shot.
Oh my god.
Yes, they were gonna land. Stop. Hey, just leave them there.
No.
Leave them there.
Really?
Yep. Ah, wait, it's still early. So bigaya. We just got a wood duck. Turabay just shot a wood duck. Lala. Basadamat. Oh my God, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Shh. Shit! You hit it again? Mashak. You wood duck wood. Go them, chupashin. Listen, it's early. Sadaku gusa bas. Oh no, زياد بالأندر. Turab, when I shot, he went your way and then, yeah.
Dustin.
Yes, they were gonna land. Stop. Hey, just leave them there.
No.
Leave them there.
Really?
Yep. Yeah, wait, it's still early. So bigaya. We just got a wood duck.
Oh my god.
Turab, I just shot a wood duck. Lala.
Oh my god.
Basadamat. Oh my God, Allahu Akbar. You hit it again? Mashak. You wood duck wood.
Oh my
Give them chupashin.
my god, this is our day.
Chupashin. We just got two wood ducks. Turabay, he shot both of them. I missed, Iftikhar missed, but we got one from back there, right here. Iftikhar's fetching it right now. And two more came down, like literally 2 minutes after all the shooting. They came down to feed. We got all the decoys right here. They came down to land. I shot, I missed. When I missed, he wanted to go veer off that way. And Turabay was right there, shot the second one. You said you got the second one, right? You saw him fall? Okay. MashaAllah. خب نقول نزيك ورا بس. MashaAllah. Look at that. Yeah.
Wow.
Cameraman. Literally just called in 2 wood ducks with that. Well, more wood ducks, but we called in 2 wood ducks at 2 different times. Got 2 ducks so far. One was shot over there. One was shot right behind us. Turab got both of them.
too far, yeah.
Yo, we out here. Just got some ducks, man. Super excited. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. God is great. We made a couple mistakes last week. We had to adjust. I brought all the gear out today, man. I got the meta glasses. My brother-in-law got the GoPro on strapped to his head. Man, Karahi is a shot. He is a shot, man. He got some ducks. Then another wood duck came. Finally got my shot. Dropped him. Got footage of me getting them. So, but Karahi shot another one. It was coming down this canal right here. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's coming down this little stream right here. He says he saw it fall, so we're gonna look for that. We're gonna spend a whole hour, if I can, looking for that bird. This is where he said he saw it fall, so we're gonna look for it over here. Still looking for that duck. Man, wood ducks are pretty birds. They're pretty birds, and I had no idea living up in New York City my whole life. Well, majority of my life. That there's a breed of bird called the wood duck. They call them wood ducks because they actually live in trees. They're like the only ducks that live, well, not in the actual tree, but like inside the little hollows. But they're pretty. They're a pretty bird. Beautiful bird. Shoot, look at that. This is all ice right here. This is all ice right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I'm breaking up all the ice right here. If you'd have told me 13 years ago, yo, you're going to be in the swamps one day hunting ducks, I'd have been like, get the hell out of here. But sure enough, I'm in the swamps hunting duck. I'll tell you what, it's fun as hell. It's fun as hell. Man, we got some great footage on the GoPro. We got some great footage on the meta glasses. We got some great footage on the Osmo Pocket. I'm looking for that, man. I don't know how you're gonna find a duck in this, but I'm gonna look. I'm gonna scan this whole area and get back with you guys if I find it or not. Look at these guys. They got the wood duck hanging right there. What up?
Yes, brother.
What's up, bro?
What's up, man?
What'd you get?
Oh.
Beautiful shot, man. Beautiful shot.
Thank you, brother.
This is the one that you got from back. He got that one back there. These are the decoys. Instagram time. There you go. So let's look for that duck. My buddy is back over here. Hey guys, the dog is here. Abbas Markhana, Darwaza Golfa. Hey boy, last week we had a straight pit bull come onto the property. What's up, buddy? What's up? There he is. Hey, the water's cold. Don't come here. No. The water's cold. The water's cold. Let me find a way to get over there. I fed him some cake last week. Come on. Hold on. I got you, buddy. God damn. Almost lost the camera there. I'm walking in stuff I haven't walked in yet, so I got to be very careful. Once you get a lay of the land, you know where to and where not to walk. So, all right, it's shallow over here. All right, we're good. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Good boy. It's cold. Man, it's a tough dog. He came in the water last week, swam in here for like 15 minutes. It's ice cold. Get out of there. Come on. Get out of there. It's cold. And now he knows where we stay at. That's a good dog, though. That's a good dog. Well, crazy things happen over here, man. Alhamdulillah. It's what can I say? Everything happens for a reason. Maybe this is the dog. Maybe we train him to get our ducks from here on out. I don't know. But he's a good dog. I'm gonna go up to the store right now and get him a bag of dog food. I'll probably call I hate to call someone. They'll just come and take him to the pound and put him down. Nobody's gonna take that pit bull. My property's a little too far from where I live. I can't keep something over here. I can't take him home. But we'll figure something out for him. He's been living out on his own for a little while, though. He does all right. He knows what he's doing. Smart dog. So, yeah, I'm gonna go up to the store, get some tomatoes and onions. We're gonna cook this duck over here, show you guys how we do it. I'm gonna get this dog some dog food. Trabai, what's going on? We cleaned it up. We got the duck all cleaned up. There you go. We're taking the other two home for our families. We're just gonna split this one right here, so just to get a taste of it.
Check the chest.
Yeah. So we gotta. Iftikhar's taking one home. Torabai's taking one home.
I take two.
You're taking two home. He's taking both of them home. So we're gonna go ahead and just sample this one right here that we got.
Onion डालेंगे
Wow.
Onion डालेंगे नहीं onion एक दाना डाल देना नहीं इसलिए अगर थे
No, don't eat that.
Wow, look, everybody's excited. Bismillah, nigga. Bismillah, Bismillah. Rahman Rahim.
Oh,
Alright, guys, it's the first bite. Bismillah.
again.
Wow.
I say it's tender, so juicy.
It's good. Jigar wali?
Yeah.
Jigar wali? You ever eat jigar? Duck karahi. Charsi karahi.
Barbecue Chersi Karahi.
Uh-huh. تو هیچ وقت خوردی duck karahi?
Father of Chersi Karahi.
Is the father of Charsi karahi. یار
Is what his name.
ام تراب بای دستت بخانی خدا بخوره. MashaAllah, this is very good. We got duck. This duck was harvested here in the woods 2 hours ago.
It was live.
Live 2 hours ago, fresh, taza. Man, this doesn't get better than this. Pretty good.
Food, he never eat shikar.
No?
No, he never eat deer, never eat the
Duck.
First
How-
time for every.
Chiyashu? Halal shudi? Guys. Yo. Oh, we got more? More goodies? More goodies?
Hell yeah.
Turabai is not joking around today. That's the plan B.
That's the plan.
But for once, we have a plan A.
Oh man.
That's the plan B. Oh.
All right.
Ye kya hai, bhaijan?
Hey.
Get out of here.
Oh my God.
Woo! Tell us, what is it?
Yeah, this is the ande wala burger.
Andiwala
Yeah,
burger.
this is mashhoor da ye.
Hey.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. MashaAllah. What a beautiful day. We hunted wood ducks. Look at the weather. We hunted wood ducks. We're out here, 28 degrees this morning, but it was good.
Right.
We ate the wood duck karahi. Oh man.
Good?
Oh man, hell yeah.
Chai sauce banda khazi bukhorim. Chai sauce.
No.
No.
I'm still gonna have it. Usu bandas ke bro.
Yeah. Good.